Since the price of hotels is getting so expensive, and I was never going to finish the teardrop I was building, I convinced Dana we should buy one to take to Kyle's baseball games. I had been watching lots of videos on YouTube about the Bushwhacker 10 HDs, which were very affordable entry-level teardrops for those people who don't mind a few projects after getting it. Really, a teardrop is not much more than a bed on wheels, although there is some cabinets inside, a window air conditioner, and a heater. We also purchased the ARB awning room to hang under the Napa awning I put on it. The room is not giant, but it's big enough to put a chair, a table, and the refrigerator in it, and it also gives you some place to stand up to change clothes. The teardrop also has a back galley that's accessed through a back hatch. It has a full 2-burner stove, a sink, and some storage on the side where the cooler was supposed to go, but we took that out since we had a refrigerator. The trailer also has a 24-gallon freshwater tank and a water pump, although it doesn't have a gray tank to hold the wastewater. On the first night we used the trailer, we left some popcorn and some onion rings sitting on a table in the ARB awning room when we went to bed. We really didn't think much about it because it was inside, but in the middle of the night Dana woke me up and said she heard something. I told her she was probably just hearing things, but I would check it out. When I turned on the lights and opened the door, there was a huge raccoon making his escape with the popcorn and onion rings. He had gotten into the room in the gap between the ARB awning room and the bottom of the door going into the teardrop. He then proceeded to sit under the camper for the next hour and a half, eating the popcorn and onion rings and making a ton of noise. Because of that experience, we decided to name the camper Rocket after the raccoon in Guardians of the Galaxy. We've also learned not to leave any food in the tent at night. Stay tuned to see all the upcoming mods I'm planning to make on the Bushwhacker.